This is Sky. Welcome to Palawan Special Battalion World War II Memorial Museum. Tara, samahan niyo ko tuklasin ang mga kwento ng nakaraan. Oops! Muntik paalala, habang naglilibot tayo, tandaan natin ang pagiging museum hero. H. Hunt yourself. E. Explore with respect. R. Respect the museum. O. Observe carefully. Kapag sinunod natin ang alituntuning ito, natutulungan natin mapangalagaan ang ating kasaysayan. Ang museo na to ay binuksan noong ika-7 ng Disyembre taong 2001. Look! This is my great-great-great-grandfather. Wow! Now, let's proceed to the Japanese room. This we have here is the Japanese machine gun. Its size is approximately 1 arm span long. On this side are the ammo shells, missiles that did not explode. Many World War II bombs, rockets, and shells failed to explode because of manufacturing flaws, damaged triggers, or soft landing surfaces. Wow! Itinatag ni Higinio Bani Mendoza Jr. ang museo para parangalan ang kanyang ama at mga sundalong Pilipino at mga gerilya na matapang na lumaban para sa ating kalayaan. Dito makikita ang maraming lumang gamit, larawan at iba pang alaala mula sa digmaan. Hanggang ngayon, tutulungan ng museo ang mga bata at matatanda na matuto tungkol sa ating kasaysayan at sa mga sakripisyong ginawa ng ating mga bayani. Ngayon, pasukin natin ang United States Room. Pagpasok natin, makikita natin ang US missile na may taas na 6 na talampakan. Wow! Look what we found! This historic typewriter is believed to have been used by General Douglas MacArthur. Can you imagine writing important messages on it instead of using a computer? Wow! Na may special na salita na ginagamit sa museo, historiography, ang tawag sa pag-aaral sa kasaysayan. Ang antikwarya naman ay taong nangungulekta at nag-aaral ng mga sinaunang kagamitan. At ang curator ay nag-aalaga sa mga koleksyon ng museo upang mapanatili ang mga ito. Wow! Important. Many brave people sacrificed their lives so we could enjoy freedom today. We should remember their courage by being kind, responsible, respectful, and by loving our country. Museums are like time machines. They help us travel to the past so we can understand the present and build a better future. If you ever visit Puerto Princesa, don't forget to explore this amazing museum and discover the stories of our past. Palawan Special Battalion World War II Memorial Museum is located along Rizal Avenue, Barangay Bangkaw, Bangkaw. Bye! See you on my next adventure.